Hello guys, this is Airbag Service YouTube channel, and today we're gonna take for repair airbag kit for new Grandland. Is this new shape. So the guys told me that we're gonna do airbags in Grandland, and I thought maybe it's facelift Grandland because I bring dashboard for it. Yeah, but there we have absolutely new Grandland. This is new shape. So no one has in stock this airbag kit, but it's not a problem. We're gonna take it for repair, and we will put it in maybe in 2 weeks. That's not a big problem. So we're gonna start to do this job. Okay guys, so this is my first Grandland new shape I'm doing. Really, I don't know how to do this car. I don't know how to remove dashboard in it. So you will learn how to do that together with me. So it's my also first time. So let's do this, and let's check how we can remove this old plastics. So firstly, we're removing steering wheel airbag. All right guys, so firstly we're removing a steering wheel airbag to remove steering wheel. So there we have holes inside the steering wheel. We just need to put screwdriver and unlock springs inside the steering wheel, which holding steering wheel airbag. Steering wheel airbag is removed. We just removing plugs, and sometimes these plugs is burned. In this case we also have burn plug, so we can't remove this plug. We can also only broke it. So we are removing these plugs this way. Okay, so we need to fully unplug the steering wheel, and then when we remove bolt from it, we need to we can see that there we have marks on steering wheel and on steering wheel column. So when we're putting steering wheel back, we need to just put it this way, that this mark should So on steering wheel column cover, we have 3 bolts, 3 screws. Unplug. What we see, everything we should unplug. This plastic we just easily remove. Okay, next step, we just need to remove all the plastics. All the plastics is on the clips, so just put your tool there and just push it up.
Дальше не снимаю, мне так уже подумать.
Okay. So we always need to remove these side plastics. Normally they are only on the clips, like in this case. And there we have additional holder, which we also need to remove like a clip with screwdriver. Next step, we need to remove this plastic, disconnect the plug. Always, if we remove the plastics and see that we have some wiring and plugs there, we just need to unplug it and remove. Okay, next step is this part. There we also have two plugs. We just need to press there to remove this plug. Okay, next step, we have one and two screws there. So we need to unscrew these screws, and we can remove full screen with all this plastic. And there we have also few wires, few plugs. This orange thing, we just need to push it up. This one. Yeah, that's it. So when we remove the screen, we can see what screws we need to remove. So we have many screws there, few screws there, so just removing. мне этот... So we need to remove this plastic from both sides. Same like from other side. We also need to remove glove box to get access to bolt on passenger to bolt on passenger airbag. So. Okay. Okay, so when we removed glove box, we can see from inside there this main bolt for passenger airbag, which we need to remove. Okay, next step, we have deeply there one screw from inside. Yeah, this one. We also need to remove it, to remove the dashboard. Also, we need to remove this top plastic where is speakers, so it's also just on the clips. It's not hard to remove this plastic. So to remove this plug, we need to push this one. One screw we got there. Okay, дальше. Okay, okay. To remove this screen, main screen, we need to remove first this top plastic, and to get access to other plastics. Okay. Then we're removing this plastic. After that, we're removing these plastics, which also on the clips. And we have got two plugs there, which we also need to remove. The next step, we need to remove this plastic with the start-stop button. all these plastics holding on the clips, so it's not hard to remove them. And last plastic which we need to remove to get access to this screen, we need to remove this one. Yeah. Ты громко сел, наверное, попал. Так, дальше. Okay, and we got 2 screws there. I will show you guys. 1 and 2, which we also need to unscrew. Here. 3. Okay guys, so on this screen, which is speedometer screen, we also got one plug which is going there, so we need to remove so plug for this wire is exactly there. Then we got screws there. 1, 2, and also one deep screw is inside there, like from other side. Yes guys, we did it, and now we can remove the dashboard. But firstly we need to remove all the wires from our passenger airbag, because there are a few wires is holding on this passenger airbag bracket, so we need to unclip it. Okay, we unclip this wiring. Now we can remove this dashboard, but firstly we need to unplug these wires. Okay, we also need to remove this plastic, because we got wiring going there with 2 plugs. 1, 2. Yeah. And last one, last plug we need to remove is wire for passenger airbag. So we need to unplug it. Okay, and also I see that there we have wires for speaker and for sensor on the windscreen. Yep. Okay guys, so we removed the dashboard. It was really not hard job. We removed it for maybe 20 minutes, so it took me 20 minutes to remove the dashboard, so that's fine. It's really good. Nice one. I like it.